Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write inner if statements in Python. In my previous videos, I already said about how to write if-else statements and elif statements, that means else if statements. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write the inner if. So let's start. Suppose I write if 9 greater than 4. 3, okay, 3, 9 greater than 3. Again, if 9 greater than 6, print high. Let's print high. Now let's check the output. Output is high. Okay. Now let me do one thing. 9 greater than 10, and here also 9 greater than suppose 12. See, no output because it's a false statement. So I have to use a else. Else print what? Hello. Print hello. Now let's check. What will it print? Let's check. Print hello. See, hello is the output because both the if statements are wrong. That's why it is not checking the if, it's coming to the else. Now suppose if I do one thing, if I give you 8, so first statement is true, 9 greater than 8. Okay, 9 greater than 8 is true. Suppose I give here 9 greater than 1. See, it will print high. Are you getting my point? If the if statement is true, if one of the if statement is true, then it will remain in if. If any one is false in if, then it will automatically come to the else part. Okay. This is just a basic example. Now I will show you another example. I write num1 equals to 20. I will print the largest number. Num2 equals to 30. Num3 equals to let 80. I will show you. Suppose I do first num1 greater than num2. Okay. If num1 greater than num3, I am checking for number 1. Okay, num1. So what will it print? Print num1 because I am checking for num1. It will print num1. Then else it will print num3. Okay, done. I have done the num1. Now I will do is if num2. Now I will checking for num2. Num2 greater than num1. Again if num2 greater than num3, it will print num2 and else it will print num3. Okay, now let's see the output. See, 8 is the output. Why? Because 8 is the largest number. Just basic. See, first I will be checking for number 1. Num1 is greater than num2. Then again I if statement to check num1 is greater than num3. So print num1. Else part should be there. If the if statement is wrong, then it will print the num3 value. See, that's only I have done it. I have given the num3 as 80. So it's coming to the else part and num3 is printing. Again, I'm doing same as num1 I did for num2. I just check num1 greater than num1, num2 greater than num1, num2 greater than num3. That's it. Now let's change some values. Suppose I give here 100. Let's see. Suppose I give here 100. See, answer is also 100. Suppose I give here 110. See, the answer is also 110. So I think you have understand how to use inner if in a Python program. If you have any problem, please comment down, or any type of you are having any error in your program, just comment down. I will solve your error. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.